Hello everyone, we'll start with offset bearing, letter X. This is in inch, 0.5, 0.9, 1.5, 0.75, English, standard, and create. Okay, this is also an easy part. We'll start from the top view and we'll create from the center rectangle 3.25 tab 5. Okay, so here is the rectangle. Okay, we'll click finish, we'll give it extrude 0.75. okay, now we finish. Okay, now let's go to the right side view. We'll start 2D sketch. Okay, now we'll start 2D sketch. We have here this cylinder at distance from the bottom until up 3.188. okay, we can draw it in this view as revolve, but I want to draw it for you as extrude, so it's okay. You can just skip this, right click, delete the sketch. Okay, now you can do one thing, it's very easy. You can go to the bottom here, click on work plane, go on the bottom, touch and move up, and then type minus 3.188. okay, click here and click on the home. See, now you are at the top of this. Okay, so start to the sketch and this work plane on the top. So okay, now you are on the top. So what you need to do is to create a small circle for this one, 1.5. it has tolerance, I will choose one of them, 1.5, and the distance from here to the edge is 1.63. so from the center to the edge 1.63. okay, then I will click finish. I'll extrude this circle down only 0.25 as mentioned here. Okay, and then from the bottom of the circle I will create start 2D new sketch here. Okay, and I will draw like this. The diameter is 2, so 2, and I will click finish. I will extrude this value, I think 1.188. This is how I understand it. Okay, so now we have these two. Okay, I will remain this empty, later I will create a hole. Okay, now we will create this rib, and we have this rib, so we'll go to this right side view, start 2D sketch. Okay, we'll create first line, do like this, and we will create another line like this. Okay, for the first radius, what's the radius? 0.63. okay, so fill it 0.63 from here to here. Okay, 0.63, and the distance from the edge to the center of the radius is 0.63. so from the edge to the center 0.63. okay, from edge to the center, yes, 0.63, and this 1.63. okay, and this one, this radius 1.38. okay, here, from here to here, this one 1.38. 1.38. okay, and the center from here to the edge is also 0.63. so it's like this. Okay, see, because it has the same center, this and this have the same center. Okay, now we'll create line from here to here, it's okay, no problem, and we'll create line from here to here. Okay, we'll finish this, click on the home, click extrude middle symmetric, and we'll enter the value. What's the value for this one? Value for this one, it's the same here, 2, tangent with the circle. okay, 2, so it is tangent with the circle like this. See, we have problem here. We'll go back to our sketch, right click, edit sketch, and we'll modify this line. We'll make it like this, straight, and we try make it until the center. So where is the center? Here. Okay, try make this line until the center. like this. Okay, this will be deleted. Okay, so this will be perfect. Okay, this is perfect. This work plane, right click, invisible, remove. Now we draw this one. Okay, also from the right side view, which is this work plane, start 2D sketch again, and then we will draw arc from here until here, and the center of the arc 4.5. okay, now I will redraw arc again here, from here to here, and I will draw a line here, and I will draw a line here. So I need to have this closed profile. Okay, then I will extrude middle, and this one has 0.63 like this. Okay, so we finish this part. It is an easy part. I will go to the top view. I will create rectangle from the center. Yes, rectangle like this, and this rectangle we make it as construction because we need only the center of the holes. Okay, since this is a spot face, let's draw point. So point. It's not a spot face. No, it's not a spot face. It's a normal hole that has height. What's the height? 0.63. No, it's not the height. I cannot see the height. 1.25. Okay, 1.25. So I will draw circles. Okay. So what's the circle diameter? 4.5. This is the internal. The external is this one. 1. Okay, 1. And I can copy this one from the point here to here to here to here. Okay, and we did not define the center, so from here to here 5, from here to here, oh, it's not 5. The total is 5. 3.75. Okay, and from here to the center 3.75 over 2. Okay, this has to be the same. This point go here, this point go here. Okay, now for the width, this one how much? 2. Okay, 2. That's it. Finish. 1.25. Extrude this one, this one, this one, and this one. 1.25. 0.125. 1.125. Yes, and then start extrude here, and we'll draw another circle. So you can draw a circle here. What's the diameter? Diameter 0.5. Cut all. We finish. Now we'll go back to this part and we draw our circle. I usually leave this until the end. So this is how much? 1. Can you see here? From okay, I will just choose 1. I'll create extrude, cut all. That's it. They are asking here to add radius 0.38. I think this radius is important. This one 0.38, and from the other side 0.38. apply. As I said, and on my drawing, I don't prefer to add fillet because fillet will make misleading for your drawing. Okay, so I will keep this. Now let's try to add color. Not this one, this one. This part, let's try to make it like, let's try to find like orange, not orange, brown. Yeah, I think this is good brown. Okay, view. So this is nice and good. Move it. Okay, save. Offset bearing. Copy. File, new dimension. Base. Let's see, 1.5. Or let's keep it 1. I will make zoom on the part itself like this, so I don't want to adjust the dimensions now. Okay, project it to this one, project it here. So here we have top and we have right side view, top and front. So this is dimension, this is dimension from here to here, from here to here, from here to here, from here to here, from center to edge. The total height, the total height 3.9, 3. Yeah, this is, if you click here and show here in the tolerances and add an extra digit, you will find it. Okay, dimension, this one from here to here, this radius is 4.5, this radius, the center from the radius to the bottom, this radius, and here we go. If I miss any of them, you can double click here and add before quantity. Okay, so they will be 4. If I miss any dimensions, you can add them, or you can type for me in the comment. I will add, or at least you know that I forget. Okay, I hope you enjoy.